First discussion on this started with the high-level panel of eminent persons that was headed up by President Sirleaf, President Yudhoyono and Prime Minister Cameron. Clearly, Colombia were also represented by the Minister of Foreign Affairs there. And what we called for was a data revolution. Because we acknowledged that this agenda would need, if it was to leave no one behind, if it was to be an integration of economy, environment and social, would really require the baseline data on time, in time, that would show where everyone was, and that clearly was not available. As a result of that, the Secretary General put together a panel of experts last year to come up with a recommendation on finding a common understanding of what the data revolution would mean for the Sustainable Development Agenda. And this has been an interesting discussion because today it is about how we bring traditional data in collaboration closer together with big data so that we're able to get the baselines but also the real-time delivery of data to help us make that planning. It is very complex. It will form the bedrock of the indicators that we provide when we want to measure for this agenda. It's important that we see the results disaggregated so that we don't leave vulnerable groups, indigenous people, women, children behind. But it's also important that we're able to comparatively measure what's happening across the globe.